Hi, today we are going to discuss about Oracle 19C installation on Windows 2019. Here you can see this operating, see this. This is the operating system. Let me open this. In this, we are going to install 19C. Okay. First of all, where we need to download. Here you can see the download link. If you go and type in Google Oracle database 19C, you can able to identify number of databases. You can see here, okay, gateways and some examples. This is the file. This is the file you can download and extract it. Already I downloaded and extracted. I will open. I will show you. See, this is the server I am using to install 19C. Okay, in this I have, this is the software. If you extract it, then you will get it like this. This is a setup. Click on this setup. Okay, got it. See, here you can able to identify two options, only software and database. With database, go with database. In this you will get it pluggable databases as well with container as well. Go next. Desktop class, if you want to practice anything, you can see here. You want to go with some practicing, you can use desktop. Now I want to implement on production servers, choose this one. I'm selecting server class, go with, it will be useful for your production data. Okay, see this advanced means different. If you want to go with different passwords for sysman, system, db, snmp, for these accounts, if you want to use different passwords, if you want to do that, you can select. Or I don't want, go with basic configuration, you will get it. Now go with advanced only. I'll show you enterprise edition or standard edition, which version you want to go with. This is a development, choose with enterprise edition only. We are testing, right? No hurries. And use virtual account or existing Windows user, or if you want to create a user, or with built-in account, which user you are connecting with, that it will be installed. Okay, better go with what I connected with administrator, use that one only. You can see, if you want to clarify, you can see which account I can see, administrator, right? Okay, fine. Last option, you want to continue built-in actuation, limited privileges to install secure, yeah, okay. Or if you want to use some different account, how you can able to do that, from with help of Windows administrators, you can take help and create account. Okay, no hurries. Yes, administrator, whatever you want to use, see, in this it will be creating e app. If you want to change, you can change it. I don't want to change, let it be. This is the software location, I can say. If you want to go with two types of servers, right, we have OLTP server and data warehousing. If you are using OLTP, you can choose this one. No, I don't want to go with some static data we have, then you can choose this one. I'm going with OLTP. Database name, database name, if you want to give whatever you want to give, you can give it. ORCL is the database name, identifier is ORCL, let it be. Or I will change with my name. Okay, fine. This is also you can change. Fine. Go next. Memory, automatic memory. If you want to change how much you can able to change, you can give and choose which language. All default settings only it will be there. Sample schemas if you want to install it. Okay, fine. If you have memory, you can increase, but no worries. Here I have 2 GB. That is the reason. As per 2 GB, it has given around 800 MB. Next, continue. Yes, memories, no problem. Continue. Here you can see left side one by one by it is coming. Okay, whatever Oracle data OA file system or ASM. Currently, I am not using ASM. You can go with file system. Register with OE Enterprise Manager and all those things. I'm not using. In next session, I'll give you that. Enable recovery area location. Give that. Go next. Use different passwords. It is asking. No. Okay, later. It's in production. You can give it for security reasons. Now I'm using same password. Some password I'm giving. Okay, fine. Verifying the pre-request. Okay, summary, you got it. Whatever the Oracle home and everything, you got it. Okay, install it. It will take some time. It is going on smoothly. 44% is completed. Here, if you notice, one by one, it is keep on succeeded. Okay, now it is database configuration is in progress. Okay, one by one it will come success like that. Once that is done, our database has been installed successfully. We'll wait for some time. It's done, successfully completed. Then you can close the session. Done. Yes, you can see here. You can see here. You can see SQL plus. Go to system or sys, whatever you want. Database password. Done. Select name from $, database. Done. Okay, thank you.